Hello friends, Radhe Radhe, welcome to our channel. I am Ankit. So today we will discuss about the Bhagavad Gita book. So recently I have purchased this Bhagavad Gita which is translated in English. So those who wants to learn or understand Gita in English, so this can be for you, right? So if you want to see how the book is, right, so please complete see the video so that you can decide you should purchase it or not, right? So let's begin now. So this is the book from Gita Press, Gorakhpur, India. So Shri Hari, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, code number is 1411 1411 with English translation and transliteration, right? So this is the book. Here you can also see the name Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and in the last it is defined Sri Krishna Arjuna at main entrance of Gita Press, Gorakhpur. Here it define the different contact details of Gita Press, Gorakhpur, that is a phone number, and this is the WhatsApp number. This is the social media handles, you can connect with them, right? So let's start. Okay, here it is also mentioned Sri Hari, code number 1411, Srimad Bhagavad Gita with English translation and transliteration. तुमेव माता च पिता तुमेव बंधु च सखा तुमेव विद्या द्रविडम तुमेव सर्वम मम देवो. So this is defined in Sanskrit and it is also defined in English. So how you can pronounce it? So it is defined here, and here it is mentioned this book from Gita Press, Gorakhpur. So here you can clearly see that this is the 32nd reprint edition of 2024. In 2024, 15,000 book is printed. So now the total book is printed 2,25,000. The price of this book is only 50 rupees. If you want to buy this book, or right, so you can go into this website gitapress.gorakhpur and gitapressbookshop.in. From these website you can order this book. This is the social media handles again, and here the printed and published by Gita Press, Gorakhpur, and define their WhatsApp number and mobile number. You can contact them. This is the email ID, booksales@gitapress.org, right? Now here define the publisher's note. So you here you can clearly see how the book is. Actually it is a publisher note. As a book of scripture, the Bhagavad Gita has assumed a position of universal interest. Its teachings have gained appreciation not only in India but far beyond its borders. Our Gita library alone comprises about 1400 editions of the Bhagavad Gita published in 34 different languages, right? तो already 1400 edition published and in different 34 languages already published. We have bought out this new English edition in book form, and we trust it will find favor with the English reading public. The English translation of this edition has been based on the Hindi rendering of Gita made by Sri Jayadayal Goindka and appearing in the Gita Tattva number of the Hindi monthly Kalyan published by the Gita Press. So basically it is taken from the Gita of Shri Jayadayal Goindka, Ji, which is actually published in the Kalyan magazine of Gita Press. In preparing the present English translation, the translators have made use every now and then of other English translations of the Gita and express their grateful acknowledgements for the same. An introduction by Sri Jayadayal Govindika is added to enhance further the utility of the book. About the present edition. In this edition, some suggestions given by Sri J.P. Agrawal, former controller of examinations, Kurukshetra University, have been incorporated in order to improve certain expressions in translation originally given in the book. This is the publisher note. Right? Here it is defined the glory of the Gita. The Mahabharata also says Sarva Shastramayi Gita. The Gita comprises all the scriptures, but this statement too is inadequate, for all the scriptures have originated from the Vedas. The Vedas were re-evaluated through Brahma's mouths, and Brahma himself took his descent from the Lord's novel. In this way, a great distance separates the scriptures from the Lord, but the Gita has emanated directly from the lips of the Lord. Hence, there will be no exaggeration if it is declared as superior to all the scriptures. The divine sage Ved Vyasa himself says, Gita Sugita Kartavya की मन्ने शास्त्र संग्रहे या स्वयं पद्म नाभस्य मुख पद्मा द्विनी श्रता. Mahabharata Bhisma Parva 43.1. It is taken from the Gita alone should be sung, heard, recited, studied, taught, pondered, and assimilated properly and well. What is the use of collecting other scriptures? For the Gita has emerged directly from the lotus-like lips of God Vishnu himself. So now we will see the table of contents, that is a chapter 1, the yoga of dejection of Arjuna. Chapter 2, Sankhya Yoga, the yoga of the knowledge. Chapter 3, Karma Yoga, the yoga of action. Chapter 4, the yoga of knowledge as well as the disciplines of actions and knowledge. So it is defined also the what is defined in that particular chapter in one heading. So chapter 5, the yoga of action and knowledge. Chapter 6 define the yoga of self-control. Chapter 7 define the yoga of Janana and Vijana. Chapter 8, the yoga of imperishable Brahma. Chapter 9 define the yoga of sovereign science and sovereign secret. Chapter 10 define the yoga of divine manifestations. Chapter 11 define the yogas of the vision of the cosmic body. Chapter 12 define the yoga of the devotion. Chapter 13 define the yoga of discrimination between the kshetra and knower of the kshetra. Chapter 14 define the yoga of division of three gunas. Chapter 15 define the yoga of the supreme person. Chapter 16 define the yoga of discrimination between the godly and demoniac properties. Chapter 17 define the yoga of division of three kinds of faith. Chapter 18 define the mokshas, means about moksha. So here it is started from Om Shri Paramatmane Namah Srimad Bhagavad Gita Ath Prathamo Adhyayah Chapter 1 Dhritarashtra Uvach धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेता युयुत्सवा मामका पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजयः. So here it is defined how you can pronunciate it, and then in English, Dhritarashtra said, Sanjaya gathered on the holy land of Kurukshetra, eager to fight. What did my sons and the sons of the Pandu do? So it is defined very clear in English, so you can understand the every Gita slok easily, right? So this is the book, and very simple and sober book in English by Gita Press, Gorakhpur. In every chapter defined the exact explanation of that shlok in English. So the total number of pages are 254 defined, 255, 256 you can say, but it is completed in 254, and here it is defined the arti of Bhagavad Gita. Jai Bhagavad Gita, Jai Bhagavad Gita, hiye kamal viharani sundar supunite. Right? So in the last, here Gita Press defines some of our English publications with their code and name. So this is the book. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel if you are on the first, right? And also click on the bell icon so you can notified whenever I publish the new video, right? So this is the for this session. We will meet again in the another session. Radhe Radhe.